Welcome back to Good Health. Today, we're diving deep into the world of swimming and exploring the incredible benefits that come with taking the plunge. Whether you are a seasoned swimmer or just dipping your toes into the pool, you are in for a treat. So, let's jump right in. Physical health benefits. Let's talk about the physical health benefits of swimming. It's not just about getting wet, it's about getting fit. 1. Full body workout. Swimming engages almost all major muscle groups, from your arms and legs to your core and back. It's an excellent way to tone your body and build strength. 2. Low impact exercise. Unlike some high-impact sports, swimming is gentle on your joints, making it ideal for people of all ages and fitness levels. Mental health benefits. Let's dive into the mental health benefits of swimming. It's not just about physical wellness. It's also about mental wellness. 1. Stress relief. The soothing sensation of being in the water can reduce stress and anxiety levels. It's like your own personal aquatic therapy session. 2. Improved mood. Swimming releases endorphins, those feel-good chemicals in your brain, which can boost your mood and help combat depression. Health conditions and rehabilitation. Swimming has a range of other benefits, including its role in managing health conditions and aiding in rehabilitation. 1. Cardiovascular health. Regular swimming can improve your cardiovascular fitness, lower blood pressure, and reduce the risk of heart disease. 2. Rehabilitation. It's often recommended by doctors for people recovering from injuries, as it's a low-impact way to rebuild strength and mobility. Social and community benefits. Lastly, let's not forget about the social and community benefits of swimming. It's not just about you. It's about the connections you can make. 1. Community. Joining a swim club or taking lessons can introduce you to a welcoming community of like-minded individuals who share your passion. 2. Family fun. Swimming is an activity that the whole family can enjoy together, creating lasting memories. There you have it. The amazing benefits of swimming are more than just physical. From improved fitness to enhanced mental health, it's a holistic approach to wellness that everyone can benefit from. So, grab your swimsuit and take the plunge into a healthier, happier you. If you found this video informative and inspiring, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and leave a comment below sharing your swimming experiences or any questions you may have. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you next time at Good Health. Happy swimming!